Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratik on Sound Health Solution. We all know that winter has begun, and with the festive season, the cold is here to take a toll on us. Especially from the month of November to the month of February, it's very cold, right? You might experience sunlight at daytime, but there's no humidity, especially in this part of the world. The air is very dry, and this creates a lot of problems who have a sensitive respiratory system. Our throat, even our nostrils, our lungs require the right amount of sunlight with the right amount of humidity in order to function properly. But with the humidity gone, we start experiencing dry throats, which eventually results in dry coughs. The entire respiratory system becomes very dry. Drinking warm water could be helpful, but in the long run, it could actually destroy your respiratory system, right? So we are going to talk today about a mudra that is actually a combo, a combination of various mudras, which helps you tackle your dry throat problems, especially if you have dry coughs and if you can't stop coughing. I remember last winter when I had gone to Vipassana, I couldn't stop coughing and wheezing. I had this dry cough. I didn't know of this mudra then, but now I do, and I've practiced it myself and I'm feeling much better, and hence I'm sharing this with all of you, right? Let's begin. Looks complicated, but it's not that complicated if you watch closely. First, you need to make the solar mudra that we spoke of in one of our previous episodes. It's very easy. All you need to do is take your ring finger and put it at the base of your thumb, right? Now bring your thumb forward and place it on the tip of the little finger, which is the element of water, and your middle finger is also placed at the tip of the thumb. This is the combo mudra, which helps you in dry throat and dry cough problems, right? You can hold this for as much as you like. There's no limitation, right? You can meditate with this mudra even for hours and hours. It's completely fine. What this does is, this is the solar mudra, right? It generates energy, it generates heat in the body. So what are we doing here? Firstly, we are practicing the solar mudra, which generates heat in the body and reduces the coolness of the body, the coolness of hands and legs and all parts of your body, right? After this, what we are doing is we are practicing the Indra Mudra, which is the mudra to balance or increase the water element of the body, right? And we are locking it with the Akash Mudra, right? The entire space is being made sacred or sanitized, right? So when we generate heat along with water, kind of forms a steam system in the body. It increases the humidity of your respiratory valves, your respiratory pipes, your respiratory organs. This sends a sense of ease throughout your respiratory system, and your dry cough, your dry throat slowly starts getting moisturized, and you slowly start feeling better. And whenever there is any kind of swelling in and around your throat, what happens is the sky element gets reduced in the body. That's why we lock it with the sky mudra. It's because of the reduction of these empty spaces inside your throat or respiratory system that generates this dry cough. It starts irritating the insides of your respiratory system and you start coughing to ease it out. One thing to note is that this mudra is to be practiced specially and exclusively only in winter You do not want to practice this in summer. However, if you still have dry coughs and dry respiratory system in the summer, what you can do is you skip the ring finger part, you skip the solar mudra part, and you can still do the other parts, right? For example, like this. Let's recap the mudra one more time. First, what we need to do is we need to form the solar mudra. So we take the ring finger and put it at the base of the thumb, and then we join the little finger, which is the symbolic representation of the water element. Join that, and then we lock it with the middle finger, which is the representation of the sky element. So it looks like your index finger is pointing up or outwards. That's the right way to do it. Hold it, meditate with it, and get rid of your dry coughs and dry throat. If you liked this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to subscribe to us and share this video with friends and family that might need this video. Let's create a community of healthier human beings. Until next time.